Hi, my name is Dylan Jahraus, and I am the CEO and founder of the Ultimate Etsy Course in Coaching and etSEO. And today I'm going to give you 5 things that you need to do to build a successful e-commerce business in a saturated e-commerce landscape. First, I want to say I don't believe that e-commerce is saturated when it comes to strategic e-commerce. And I'll explain this with 5 things you can be doing in 5 examples. The first thing we need to do has with how you build the foundation of your e-commerce business. Most people pick some products or come up with a brand and hope people like it. And instead, you want to start with the customer, not the product. Think about who has consistent spending habits, who has higher disposable income, who spends money on expensive hobbies and activities. We want to sell to those people. An example of this is Bath & Body Works. People who shop at Bath & Body Works are always waiting for the thing they like to go on sale. On the other hand, if you look at a more premium brand positioning like Clinique, they will buy the product when they run out of the product. And Clinique is targeting a customer who values quality, consistency, and results more than price. The second thing that I would recommend is building in a predictable cadence of product releases. It is no longer enough to launch a new collection every season. We want to train our customers to keep us top of mind. And a great way to do that is to do much more frequent releases. It will create interest, it increases the lifetime value of the customer, and it keeps customers coming back for something new. One real life example of this is Abercrombie. They release a new collection every Thursday, and they have trained their customers to come back every Thursday to see what is new. Things sell out often on their site. A really good psychological strategy is to allow things to sell out once in a while, even if you intend to bring them back. The third way to stand out is through SMS marketing. Not enough brands are doing this. A lot of small businesses and small e-commerce brands think that they're not ready for SMS, but I think it's one of the fastest ways to get your customers' attention. Think about it. It's the fastest way to get a hold of someone, right? It's to text them, even faster than a call. Another way to stand out, and this is a fun one, is through your brand voice. People are so used to reading everything that is written by AI that it takes a unique angle and an edge to capture attention through copy and messaging. So I recommend creating a very iconic, consistent, unique brand voice and sticking with that. And one of my favorite examples of this is actually the Domino's Pizza Facebook page. They're basically writing the things that people think, but they don't say out loud. And as a consumer and as a viewer of this, you're always wondering what they're going to say next. A consistent brand voice that is iconic has stronger engagement in the comments. And lastly, one of the best ways to stand out in a saturated e-commerce landscape is to start making decisions for your customers. It is the idea of curating very intentional options for your customers. We see this with the movement away from big department stores that are overwhelming to then a shift towards stores like Alo and Viore and Lululemon where the options are tightly curated. The psychology of decision making is showing up loudly through curation. So curate your product mix, be intentional, do some of that decision making and thinking for your customer. You'll not only stand out and provide a better customer experience, but you'll also see higher conversion rates on the back end. It's a win-win. I hope this gives you some clear priorities for what you can focus on to stand out in e-commerce today. And I'd love to invite you to dig in more to our YouTube channel where we have more of these conversations and get into very tactical, step-by-step trainings of things you can do in your e-commerce business today.